Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today we start unit number 6, factorization simultaneous equation. In this unit we study about the different formulas of square and cube, and then we solve simultaneous linear equation using different methods. There are some basic algebraic formulas. The first formula is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means that a plus b whole square, we have 2 times a plus b multiplied by a plus b, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For example, we have a value 107. By using the formula, we taking square on both sides
107 square
and we divide 107 into two parts for the formula. It means that 107 whole square equals to 100 plus 7 whole square. So according to the formula, 100 square, which is a square, plus 2ab, a is 100 and b is 7, and then plus b square, b is 7, so 7 square. 100 square is equal to 10,000 plus 100 multiplied by 7 is 700 and multiplied by 2, which is 1400, plus 7 sevens are 49, and then we add these values and get 11,449. The next formula is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means that a minus b multiplied by a minus b equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, for example, we have a value 87 square. Here we want to get 87, so we take value 90 minus 3 and get 87. Then by using formula, which is a square, a is 90 square minus 2ab minus 2, and a is 90, b is 3. Then plus b square, b is 3, so 3 whole square, and the sign is plus here. 90 multiplied by 90 equals to 8100, which is 90 square, minus 90 multiplied by 3 is 270, and then multiply with 2 is 540, plus 3 3s are 9. According to the board mass, we add 8100 and 9, we get 8109, and then subtract 540 and get 7569. The next formula is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b and a minus b. It means that when we multiply a plus b and a minus b, we get a square minus b square. For example, we have a value 107 multiplied by 93. इस पर जब हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे तो हमने कोई ऐसी वैल्यू लेनी है जिसको प्लस करने से 107 आए और माइनस करने से 93 आए, लेकिन जो a और b हो वो हमारे पास सेम वैल्यू हो. जैसे 100 में 7 प्लस करें तो 107 आएगा, और 100 में माइनस करें 7 तो 93 आएगा. इट मीन्स दैट कि एक दफ़ा ये प्लस में आएगा और एक दफ़ा माइनस में आएगा, और जब फॉर्मूला क्लोज होगा तो इन दोनों का होल स्क्वायर होगा, जैसे होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा जैसे इस फॉर्मूले में लिखा गया है. 100 स्क्वायर माइनस 7 स्क्वायर, एंड 100 स्क्वायर इज़ 10,000 minus 7 sevens are 49. Now subtract 49 from 10,000 and get 9,951. The next is find the value of x square plus 1 over x square and x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 when x minus 1 over x is equal to 2. Here we have a value x minus 1/x equals to 2. हमने मालूम करना है x स्क्वायर और x की पावर 4. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जो हमारे पास सिंपल x माइनस 1/x है उसका बोथ साइड पर स्क्वायर लेंगे. स्क्वायर लेने के बाद ये हमारे पास a और ये हमारे पास b, इस पर हमने फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. a स्क्वायर माइनस, because we have minus in center, so this is a formula of minus 2ab. a is x and b is 1/x. Then plus b square is 1/x square and the square of 2 is 4. Now x square minus x जो है वो x के साथ कट हो जाएगा, तो हमारे पास वैल्यू जो आएगी वो आएगी 2 प्लस 1/x और x का स्क्वायर होगा x स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 4. हमने वैल्यू मालूम करनी है x स्क्वायर प्लस 1/x स्क्वायर की, तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 1/x स्क्वायर यहाँ लिखेंगे और जो हमारे पास -2 है ये इक्वल्स के उस तरफ जाकर +2 हो जाएगा. x स्क्वायर प्लस 1/x स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 6. 4 और 2 6 ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास x स्क्वायर प्लस 1/x स्क्वायर इक्वल आ जाएगा 6 के, बिकॉज वी फाइंड x पावर 4 प्लस 1/x पावर 4, सो वी taking again square of both sides, and then according to formula x square which is a and this square is the square of formula plus 2ab. a is x square and b is 1/x square, then plus b square which is 1/x square, and this is a square of formula, and then 6 6 36. Now this value becomes 4. 2 2 is 4 and x square cut with x square and we get 2 plus 1/x 4 equals to 36. 2 is plus here and then we take on the other side. 2 is subtract from 36 and we get 34. Now x power 4 plus 1/x power 4 is equal to 34, which is answer. Exercise 6.1. Solve the following questions by using formula. Question number 1. Evaluate square of each of the following. The first value is 53. Question number 1. Evaluate square of each of the following. The value is 53. We divide 53 into two parts, 50 plus 3, by taking square 50 plus 3 whole square. The formula of whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 50 is a and 3 is b. A square is 50 square plus 2ab. A is 50 and b is 3 plus b square. B is 3, so we write 3 square. 50 square is 2500 plus 50 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 300 plus 3 3s are 9. Now add all these values and we get answer which is 2809, and the square of 53 is 2809. The next value we have 77. 77 we divide 77 into two parts, 70 plus 7. 70 हमारे पास a है और 7 हमारे पास b है. By taking square 70 हमारे पास a है और 7 हमारे पास b है. According to the formula 70 square which is a square plus 2ab. a is 70 and b is 7, and then b square जो हमारे पास है 7 square आ जाएगा. 7 7s are 49. 70 multiplied by 70 is 4900, and then 2 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 7 which is equal to 980. तीनों वैल्यूज़ को ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास वैल्यू आएगी 5929. सो 77 square equals to 5929, which is answer. The next value we have 509. सबसे पहले 509 को हमने 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, जो हमने लिखा है 500 प्लस 9। 500 हमारे पास ए होगा और 9 हमारे पास बी होगा। बाय टेकिंग स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर दोनों तरफ लेंगे और फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, and 500 is a, 9 is b. Now by using the formula a square plus 2ab, which is 509, plus b square, which is 9 square. 500 square equals to 2,50,000 plus 500 multiplied by 9, which is 40, 900 multiplied by 2, which is 9,000, plus 9 9s are 81. Now add all these values and get answer. So the 509 square equals to 2,59,081. The next question is evaluate each of the following. The first value we have 57 whole square. So we divide 57 into 2 parts, 60 minus 3. And according to the formula, 60 is a and 3 is b. So a square is 60 square minus 2ab, which is 60 and 3. 60 is a and 3 is b, plus b square, which is 3 square. 60 square equals to 3600
minus
60 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 360, plus 3 square equals to 9. According to the board mass, we plus 3600 with 9 and then subtract 360 from 3609, and the answer is 3249, which is the square of 57. The next value we have 95 square. We subtract 5 from 100 and get 95. According to the formula, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So according to the formula, 100 is a and 5 is b. 100 square is equal to 10,000 minus 2ab. A is 100 and b is 5. Multiply all these three values. 100 multiplied by 5, 500, and then 2,000, plus 5 square equals to 25. According to the board mass, we add 10,000 with 25 and we get 10,025, and then subtract 1,000. Answer is 9,025, which is square of 95. The next value we have 598. Square of 598, we divide 2 parts, 600 minus 2, and get 598. According to the formula, 600 is a and 2 is b. So 600 square minus 2ab plus b square. 600 square is 3,60,000 minus 600 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 2,400, plus 2 to the 4. Add 3,60,000 with 4 and then subtract 2,400 from this value, and we get 3,57,604, which is a square of 598. Question number 3, evaluate 46 multiplied by 54. We take same value for the addition and subtraction. We take 50 and 4. When we subtract 4 from 50, we get 46, and when we add 50 with 4, we get 54. So according to the formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Here a is 50 and b is 4. 50 square is 2,500 minus 4 for the 16. Subtract 16 from 2,500 and get 2,484. This is the multiplication of 46 and 54. The next question is
197
multiplied by 203. अब फिर से हम इस तरह की वैल्यू लेंगे जिसको माइनस करने से हमारे पास 197 आए और प्लस करने से 203 आए. हमने प्लस वाली वैल्यू को देखना है कि किस में किसको प्लस करने से हमारे पास 203 आ रहा है। 200 में प्लस करेंगे 3 तो हमारे पास 203 आ जाएगा। सेम इसी वैल्यू को माइनस में लिखेंगे तो 197 आ जाएगा। यानी आपने प्लस वाली वैल्यू को देख के लिखना है और फिर जो प्लस वाली वैल्यू आई होगी उसी को माइनस में लिख देंगे। जैसे हमने 200 प्लस 3 लिया, इसी को हमने माइनस में लिख दिया तो वो हमारे पास 197 आ जाएगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी a माइनस बी एंड देन वी क्लोज द फार्मूला क्लोज किया हमने तो हमारे पास आएगा a जो कि 200 है स्क्वायर माइनस b जो 3 है उस पर स्क्वायर। देन 200 स्क्वायर इज़ 40,000 माइनस 3 स्क्वायर इज़ 9। 40,000 माइनस 9 इज़ 39,991 which is the multiplication of 197 and 203. The next question is 999 multiplied by 1001. यहाँ पर भी हम इस वैल्यू को देखेंगे तो 1001 है, इट मीन्स 1000 प्लस 1 आएगा, इसी को माइनस में लिखेंगे। 1000 में से माइनस करेंगे 1 तो हमारे पास 999 आ जाएगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस b, so a is 1000 and b is 1. We closed the formula and then square of 1000, then subtract 1 from the square of 1000 and get answer, which is the multiplication of 999 and 1001. The next question number 4. Find the value of x square plus 1 over x square when x plus 1 over x is 7. So x plus 1 over x square equals to 7 by taking the square on both sides. We use formula. Here x is a and 1 over x is b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to 7 7s are 49. So x square is x square plus x cut with x and we get 2. Then 1 over x square, which is the square of 1 over x, equals to 49. 2 add here and when we take on the other side 2 is subtract from 49 and we get 47, which is the answer. So x square plus 1 over x square equals to 47. The second question is find the value of x square plus 1 over x square. X minus 1 over x is 3. By taking square on both sides, x minus 1 over x square equals to 3 square. According to the formula, x is a and 1 over x is b. So because we have minus in center, so we use the formula of minus. X square minus 2ab, which is x and 1 over x, plus 1 over x square, which is b, and 3 square is 9. So x square plus 1 over x square, x cut with x and we get 2, and the 3 square is 9. So 2 is plus here, and when we take on the other side 2 subtract from 9 and we get 7. So x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 7, which is the answer. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.